Hello friends, I hope your 2025 is off to a great start. Today we have a super fun unboxing. We have the new Xox Kweenie dolls. We have the Xox Kweenie Quirky dolls and the Xox Fearless Queens from our friends over at MoiseToys. A huge thank you to MoiseToys. I am so excited to unbox these. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the Xox Kweenie dolls are premium vinyl figurines that have unique styles and personalities. And this is part of the Fearless Queen series. There are 13 to collect, and here are some of the different dolls. Now these are a mystery, so it's a blind bag. We have no idea what's inside. Now the Quirky Queens have 29 different dolls to collect. So on both boxes here, there appears to be a limited edition figurine. So it says only 1,000 were made. And same for here, there's only 1,000. So Queen of Spooky Night for the Fearless Queen. For the Quirky Queens, it is Queen of the Universe. But let's go ahead and start with a Fearless Queen. I was so excited when I saw that these were coming out. I love dolls. I love to collect different unique figurines. I didn't even look at the back of the box when I did the intro. So there you go. Collect and display. How cute. This is just a complete first impressions and getting a good look at them. Oh man. That was unsuccessful. So here we have the plastic display case. So it comes in a blind bag. Nice. Here is the collector sheet, I guess, and then a card. So I'm going to keep the card facing down because I don't want to know who we have. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this. Oh, it's like a poster or something. How cute. So it's got some of the dolls. Let's take a good look here. We have Queen of High School, Queen of Game Day, Queen of Spicy, Queen of Art, Queen of Heartbreakers, and Queen of Unicorns. We have another Queen of Spicy, Queen of Art, High School, Drama, Game Day, and a Mystery. Oh, it says look out for more series of the Quirky Queens. Let's go ahead and see which one we have. Okay, this is Queen of Art. Obviously, how did I not know? Because she's got a spray can. Let's see if we can get this off. Oh my gosh, she is totally cute. I'm obsessed. I love anything pink, of course. Let's check out her outfit. She's got 2 pigtails. She's got an earring there. Pink makeup. I think that's another piercing. She's got a multicolored puffy coat, some cute pink pants and black shoes. She's holding a spray can. Can't forget the crown because they're Queenies. Let's take a look at her display card. So this says, spray all day, paint all night. Art is life. I love that they come in a collector case. So she's got a little hole right here in her foot. And she's got a stamp on the bottom of the can. It says Fearless Queens. So you can put her on this part of the display case. So that was our first one, number 1. How incredibly cute. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of the Quirky Queens. These are just too cute. I'm so obsessed with them already. And I only opened one. Let's see what's inside, shall we? And this box is different. This box has a little bit of a pink color to it. It seems whatever card we have in this one is disclosed in a paper. So we'll open this last. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, look, she's got candy inside. Oh, you know what? I didn't show you guys the paper. Let's see who this is. I was in too much of a hurry and I opened the bag before I checked. I forgot to show you guys the poster for the Quirky Queens. Those are cute. These look like a little bit more fun. Queen of Sugar, Queen of Pickles, Queen of Roar, Queen of Me Time, Dance Parties, and Queen of Plushies. Another Queen of Me Time, another Queen of Roar, Sugar, Pickles, and Catnaps. And then there's a mystery one, and these are all blank right here. So it looks like there's going to be a lot more. And then of course they show the rest down here with the display case, and they're going to make deluxe in these as well. I love her hair. We've got pigtails, and she's got them in all different colors. A little sweets clip and another crown because she's a queenie. This cute little bubble dress with candy inside. I love the theming here. This one is really cute. So another holographic collectible card. Flavorful and super sweet. Shaking up the sugar rush. Okay, we'll go ahead and put her in the display case. And again, this is what the bottom of the doll looks like. She has a hole for the display case, and it says she's from the Quirky Queen series. And there you go. How cute. I love the cases. These are so perfect. Okay, let's open another one. I'm so happy with the ones I have already. So the Fearless Queens have blue tinted display cases. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna open it this way. So heads up, you guys, the Quirky Queens cards come in paper, but the Fearless Queens do not. So it will be a spoiler. I don't want it to be a spoiler. Oh my goodness. Another Queen of Art. She's got a spray can. This one is a little bit more translucent, and she's got a clear spray bottle, and it's glittery. Her hair has glitter. She has a crown. She's winking at you. Hello. She's got a puffer coat on. It's purple, and she's got blue glittery pants and some matching purple shoes. She's got a hoop earring, just like the other one, and a piercing up top on her other ear. And she's got her hair up in 2 high ponytails. And this is her spray can. The other one has sound effects, and this one you can see the liquid inside. I love her. She's so cute. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with these. Let's check out her card. And she says the same thing. Spray all day, paint all night. Art is life. Okay, let's put her in her display case. And there we have it. She's super adorable. I have the girls back there in their display cases, and I'm going to open the last Quirky Queen. I usually save something for my unboxings on YouTube Shorts, but there's no way I'm waiting. I want to see what we have, and I hope that you guys do too. Okay, this is our last one. I'm going to have to definitely buy some more because I want to see if I can collect one of the rare ones. And we have a Queen of Me Time. She's really pretty too. Look at all the bubbles. She's in a bubble bath. She's got a rubber ducky in her hair and a crown. She's got some snorkeling gear, I guess. She's got bubbles and some stars on her bathtub. This is super cute. Look at that. Let's open her collector's card and see what they say about her. Soaking it up. Time is precious, and so am I. The details and the colors are top notch. Oh, look, her head turns. Her head turns around. It just says Quirky Queens. It has 4 legs, so it just stands up on its own in the display case. So here they all are, you guys. We've got 2 Fearless Queens and 2 Quirky Queens. Let me know in the comments which ones are your favorite. Are you going to be collecting any of these? I love them all, but if I'm being honest with you, I would probably want some of the Fearless Queens. I adore their style. These are fun and they are very quirky, but these girls are sassy and I love them so much. If I find some more of these, I definitely will be unboxing them on my shorts. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.